Without Thales, our products wouldn't be possible. My name is Stefan Nadelberg. I'm Head of Development at Orgadata. Many customers don't want to use hardware-bound licensing solutions anymore. They expect a cloud solution with their own personal account that they can use on any device. In the field, development becomes more interesting for us because our products are evolving, because new mobile devices, new technologies allow us to further develop them and to of course also combine them with interesting technologies like cloud licensing. Thales provides a strong and professional solution for software licensing and also for monetization products in the cloud. For us, Thales is a very valuable partner with whom we really like to exchange ideas and develop software together. What we would like to achieve is not only to provide a bunch of software tools, we would like to provide a software ecosystem to the customer, and cloud solutions, especially in regards to license management, help us to achieve this goal. The integration of the Thales cloud solution is quite easy. Most of the things come out of the box. It's very easy to understand. And the step from the conventional licensing mechanism, the hardware-based dongle mechanism, to the cloud-based solution is quite easy. In my opinion, the biggest advantage of the Sentinel cloud solution is that it's easy to use, it is secure, and it's very professional. Partnering with Thales was absolutely the right decision for us. I would recommend Thales for license management in the cloud and for monetization products.